Hello, and welcome to the 12th Operations Group at Joint Base San Antonio Randolph, Texas. The 12th Operations Group is a part of the 12th Flying Training Wing. The 12th Flying Training Wing, under the 19th Air Force and Air Education and Training Command, is known as a source of America's air power. Members of the 12th OG are called the Blacksmiths. The 12th Operations Group is made up of 7 squadrons: the 12th Training Squadron, the 12th Operations Support Squadron, the 99th Flying Training Squadron, the 435th Fighter Training Squadron, the 558th Flying Training Squadron, the 559th Flying Training Squadron, and lastly, the 560th Flying Training Squadron. The 12th Training Squadron, known as the Greenhorns, supports over 1,000 students attending training at Joint Base San Antonio Randolph. The 12th TRS oversees simulator, student records, library, and other mission support activities. The 12th Operations Support Squadron, known as the Raging Raptors, provides simulator training, scheduling, air traffic control, airfield management, flight records, registrar, weather, airspace management, international training, and aircrew flight equipment services for all the 12th Operations Group training. The 99th Flying Training Squadron, known as the Panthers, is the Department of Defense's sole provider for the T-1A Jayhawk pilot instructor training. The squadron also provides initial qualification training for instructor combat system officers for the 479th Flying Training Group at Naval Air Station, Pensacola, Florida. The Panthers continue the heritage of the famed Tuskegee Airmen. The 435th Fighter Training Squadron, known as the Deadly Black Eagles, provides introduction to fighter fundamentals training. New pilots and combat systems officers attend 435th's 9-week program ahead of training on their major weapon systems. The syllabus is tailored towards students' follow-on formal training unit and includes basic fighter maneuvers as well as basic surface attack and low-level operations. The 435th trains more than 150 students annually from the United States and other friendly countries. The 558th Flying Training Squadron, known as the Phantom Knights, provides undergraduate remotely piloted aircraft training through 3 distinct courses for officer and enlisted aircrew. Those are the Remotely Piloted Aircraft Instrument Qualification Course, the Remotely Piloted Aircraft Fundamentals Course, and the Basic Sensor Operator Course. Graduates continue their formal training at Holloman Air Force Base, New Mexico, or Beale Air Force Base, California. The squadron also has a military training flight, which is responsible for the oversight and mentorship of non-prior service enlisted airmen. The 559th Flying Training Squadron, known as the Billy Goats, provides T-6A Texan II pilot instructor training for joint primary pilot training and combat systems officers. The squadron flies more than 16,000 hours annually and qualifies more than 200 Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, and international students annually. The 560th Flying Training Squadron, known as the Charging Cheetahs, qualifies fighter and bomber pilots as instructor pilots in the T-38C Talon. The squadron executes 8 syllabi to train Air Force instructor pilots, Air Force and U.S. Navy test pilot candidates, international fighter and instructor pilots, and other U.S. Air Force pilots specifically identified for transition to fighter aircraft. Additionally, the Charging Cheetahs continue the traditions of the Freedom Flyers, honoring former Vietnam-era Air Force air crewmen who survived as prisoners of war and made a triumphant return to the sky. We are proud to serve side by side with our total force partners and instructors from the 340th Flying Training Group and the 39th Flying Training Squadron, and we wouldn't fly without the incredible and dedicated support of the 12th Maintenance Group. No matter where they are assigned, the Blacksmiths are proudly forging America's air power. Welcome to the 12th Operations Group.